Advocate Bapusaheb Bunde High School welcomes you all to our digital school. Myself, Tasneem, your new art teacher, is here again for another exciting video for Sunday fun. So let's get ready, kids, with your old drawing book or any rough book, pencil which we require 2B or 4B if you have it, or even a single drawing pencil will do. Children, do you remember our previous chapter, pencil shading, where we used a single pencil to create different tones, that is light, medium and dark tone. We even learnt blending. I had mentioned some of the shading techniques, and we had learned smooth shading technique and blending it with clean finger. Today we will learn light and shade. The name itself explains the topic, but let us understand. Light source such as sun, which creates shadow if it has a medium or an object in between, a shadow part is dark, and the side of source light falling on the object or medium will be lighter shade. So let's watch how to achieve that. Children, we will start with the square, or it's a cuboid. I will shade it with 2B pencil first. The part falling directly to the light will have a light tone, and farther from light source will be darker. The shadow also will be darker. Light tone closer to light source and darker farther from light source. Finish the edges. Move the pencil only in one direction, as I am doing. Just follow the video carefully. Now I will make the shadow. Shadow is always opposite to the sun. Now I will use 4B pencil. You no need to worry if you are not having a 4B pencil. You can use the same drawing pencil. Only you need to apply more pressure to the pencil while doing this, and handle the pencil slanting on the paper. Now we will show some darker side of the shadow, a darker tone, where the object is not getting any light. Children, practice this in your rough book. You have to do it again in your art book once you receive it from school. This will be the result you should try to achieve. Now, we will blend it with the clean finger. Just erase the extra part and the lightened part. Blend it with a clean finger. This should be your final result. Like and subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching, kids.